In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your online store using Wix's intuitive setup and editor tools. This is a straightforward guide to help you efficiently design and manage your website, whether you are new to Wix or looking to streamline your process. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix setup page. This is where you can navigate through your website's essential settings and manage various aspects of your online store. Opening the setup page is simple. Just ensure you are logged into your Wix account, then navigate to the dashboard specifically tailored to your site. This dashboard serves as the central hub where you'll find all the tools necessary to customize and maintain your store effectively. Once you have accessed your dashboard, it's time to dive into the creative aspect of your website. Click on the option to add elements. Adding elements is crucial when it comes to building a visually appealing and functional website. Elements can include anything from text boxes and images to complex features like contact forms or social media integrations. The beauty of Wix's editor is that it offers an easy drag and drop functionality, allowing you to intuitively place and resize these elements wherever you need them on your site. With your elements in place, it's time to turn your attention to a vital part of your business, the online store itself. Click on the online store option within the Wix editor. This section is designed to help you configure your store's front end, where your products will be displayed to potential customers. It's where you can manage product listings, organize them into collections, and determine how they appear on the site. Taking the time to optimize this area ensures your customers can navigate your store with ease and that your products are presented attractively. After making all these additions and adjustments, ensuring your hard work is saved is vital. Navigating the design and setup can often lead to changes you don't want to lose. Simply click the Save button. Saving frequently is good practice not only in the context of using the Wix editor but in any digital creative work. It solidifies your progress and gives you peace of mind knowing that your changes won't be accidentally lost due to any unforeseen technical difficulties. And there you have it. These steps will guide you through the basic processes of managing and editing your online store on Wix, making sure you have a comprehensive grasp of setting up your site and store effortlessly. I hope this guide has been helpful, providing clarity and confidence as you work on your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful guides.